Hi, my name is Jonathan Nelson, and I represent VerdeEn Chemicals, a recycling solutions company for lead-acid batteries. A fact not well known outside the industry is that lead-acid batteries are the #1 recycled item in the world, as well as the most used rechargeable battery. Recycling is great, however the traditional recycling method, based on the use of smelters, is highly polluting, costly, and inefficient. This creates serious problems for our customers, the battery manufacturers, who struggle to find a reliable supply of recycled lead in an environment of increasing regulatory costs and high energy prices. As a result of high regulation and energy costs, the battery industry can potentially move the recycling operations to countries with less regulation, or the industry can increase the battery prices, neither of which are feasible in the long term. This is because regulations in the developing world tend to catch up sooner rather than later, creating a kick the can down the road problem. Increasing battery prices is also an unfavorable option because the industry would be forfeiting its price competitiveness compared to other battery chemistries. As an example, Johnson Controls increased their battery prices by 8% in 2012-2013, but that is not sustainable. This presents an urgent need for a clean and efficient recycling technology. VerdeEn answers this urgent need through its proprietary technology, which disrupts the traditional recycling processes by eliminating the use of smelters. Instead, VerdeEn uses a series of chemical reactions at low temperatures to recover lead from spent batteries. To elaborate, smelting usually occurs at temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius, a highly energy-intensive process. By comparison, the highest temperature required for VerdeEn's technology is 80 degrees Celsius. These chemical reactions are done in two stages. 1. Removing hazardous heavy metals other than lead, such as arsenic and cadmium, and 2. Removing sulfur to finally recover lead at the end of the process. VerdeEn's technology allows the company to recycle batteries with zero pollution at 1/4 the cost and in 1/5 the time as compared to traditional recycling. In addition, VerdeEn's technology also offers a disruption in the CapEx requirements for recycling plants by being 60% less expensive. VerdeEn will generate revenues by licensing its technology and by operating its own recycling plants. The company is projected to generate revenues of over $100 million by 2018. Initially, VerdeEn's operations will be based out of India, where they expect to showcase a proof-of-concept recycling plant. The company expects to begin building a customer base through licensing and direct selling of products in Q2 2014, while concurrently conducting independent audits to corroborate the pollution and financial disruption claims. VerdeEn is confident these audits will help build a strong case for a recycling permit in North America. The company expects to begin recycling operations and licensing the technology in North America in 2016. To date, VerdeEn has filed a provisional patent application for its recycling process and is currently constructing a proof-of-concept plant in India, which is expected to be operational by end of March 2014. Here you can see in this photograph from 3 weeks ago that the ground has already been broken and construction is ongoing in India. VerdeEn's management and advisory team is a diverse set of professionals from engineering, business, and chemistry backgrounds. Sanjeev and Vipin Tyagi, the co-founders of the company, created VerdeEn with the vision of developing a green recycling process to provide a positive social and environmental impact. This was driven by their experiences in the battery manufacturing and recycling industry, as well as their personal observations of the polluting smelters in India. Mrinmoy Chakrabarti leads the research and development efforts at VerdeEn. His expertise in heavy metals chemistry has been instrumental in developing and optimizing the proprietary recycling process. We welcome the opportunity to discuss this exciting project with you in further detail. Thank you very much.